Welcome to LaTricia Creates. I am LaTricia. In today's video, we're going to unbox my new toy. Let's see what's in the box. Singer Momento. Now you know this box is too big for me to get out of here by myself, right? Let's see what's inside the box. It comes with a standard grip mat. It looks like it has some vinyl in here and maybe some transfer tape. There's also this fabric grip mat. Both of these mats are 12 by 24 inches. This is really cool. There's this box inside the box. Let's see what's in here. You have the welcome card and warranty cards. There's a dual tip pen with adapter, rotary blade with housing. This is really awesome because I believe this is the only 24-inch craft cutter that has a rotary blade. That's one of the reasons I wanted this. There's also a basic blade with housing. Then you have the cord. You have the adapter for the cord. A USB cord. And a user guide. Now for the machine. Oh, I think this bad boy is so pretty, but it's also big. So let's get it out of this box. I got it out of the box. Look how beautiful this thing is. It is so sleek, so pretty. The next thing I want to do is take this, scan this QR code, and read the user guide. I'm the type of person who likes to read user guides, so I'm going to read that. Then I'll come back to set up the machine. I clicked on the QR code. Instructions came up for how to set it up, and I also read the user manual, so now I'm ready to set it up. The first thing I'm going to do is open this front door, and I'm going to take out the excess stuff, this foam, this little thing here. It's just a notice telling you that the pinch wheels must always be in contact with the right side of the material or the cutting mat. There's also these 4 white things in here. On the back, and which you can't see, but on the back there is a lever, and we have to push the lever down in order to raise the pinch wheels, then pull these pieces out. Now I'm going to raise the lever back up to lower the pinch wheels, and pretty much that's everything on this side. Now I'm going to head over to the other side where the on button is. There's a piece of plastic here. We're going to peel that off. Now it's ready to go. Now we have to plug it in. I have these 2 pieces here. I'm just going to connect this one to this one. Connect the cord to the adapter. I'm going to plug the adapter into the back of the machine. Let me close the door. You can't see this either, but it's easy to know where it is. It's right here on the back. Now I'm going to plug this into the wall. The green light came on, so it's good to go. Now I'm going to open the front door again, turn it on, and follow the prompts on the screen. The first thing says, name your machine. I'm not going to give my machine a name, so I'm going to skip this step. Now it says all done, finished. The next thing is to connect it to the internet. So I'm going to go here to the settings gear. I'm going to click on Wi-Fi. I'm going to click here where it says other networks. Search for the Wi-Fi that I have, my network. Then I'm going to connect to my network, put my password in, connect to the network. I have my password in now. I'm going to click here where it says connect to this network. Now it's all connected and ready to go. The next thing we need to do is create a MySoNet account. If you don't already have one, I already have a MySoNet account. If you have a Singer machine, a FAF machine, or certain Husqvarna Viking machines, you may already have a MySoNet account. If not, you can create one. So we're going to head over to the computer to create the MySoNet account and download the crafting software. I'm on mysonet.com. If you don't already have an account, go up to the top right, click on create account, and follow all of the prompts. If you already have an account, click sign in and sign into the account. Since I already have an account, I'm just going to sign into my account. From here, I'm going to go over to crafting, go down to the third one that says download crafting software. I'm using a Windows computer, so I'm going to click download software. You can also download if you have a Mac or an iPad. There's an iOS version as well. Now that it's downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and install it. The software is installed. It's just going through the process. Now it's telling me to sign back into MySoNet, so I'm going to sign back in. I'm using the Imperial system, so I'm going to click here for inches. The next thing we want to do is add our machine. So I'm going to go here, click add new, then find the machine. If you already have any of these machines, you probably already have done this before. We're going to look for the Singer Momento. And here it is right here. So I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to click add machine. The next thing I want to do is go to the crafting software. This box popped up letting me know that there are new fonts available. I'm going to click OK. Now what I want to do is go over to the left-hand side to manage machines. There's more pop-ups coming up. I'm just clicking OK. Go to where it says manage machines. Click on that. And you see here where it has the machine with the plus sign. I'm going to click on that. I want to connect by Wi-Fi, but remember when I did the unboxing, there is a USB cable that you can connect from, but I already installed the Wi-Fi, so I'm going to connect that way. Turn on the machine. I already have my machine turned on. I'm going to press continue. Is the machine on your network? Yes. And I just want mine to be called Momento, so I'm going to get rid of this part here. Click OK. Now you see this red dot showed up over here on the left-hand side where it says Manage Machines. I'm going to click on that, and it says to update firmware. I'm going to click on update firmware. I'm going to keep English, so I'm going to click update now. And it's telling you the update process may take a few minutes. During the update, the machine light will dim and there will be several progress bars on the screen. When it's complete, the machine will restart, the light will turn back on, blah, blah, blah. Once you see upgrade successful, then you click OK. So we're going to wait for it to update, and we'll click OK when it's all done. The machine says the update was successful. I'm going to press OK. Now it's all set up, and we're ready to create some projects. Stay tuned for my next video when we're going to make something using the Singer Momento. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep creating.